ela é faca.
So last night, a bit of surprise at dinner. Everyone was, because leading up to this week, everyone was like, "Oh, this is going to be like really big news," and everyone's like, "It doesn't involve Switzerland, because why would you even care about such a minute country?" And then we woke up to the news of 31%. And now I'm like trying to Google, what does tariff mean exactly? How does this work? And we had clients come to, I have a vintage watch store in the old town of Geneva, and we sell a lot of watches to Americans. And even that's not just a trend for us. Swiss watch industry since 2021, number one market in the world, the US. So I'm assuming that retailers are like freaked out over there too. Now, I sold these watches or my brother sold these watches on Monday at the store. We've invoiced, we've received payment, and we're supposed to ship. And we're like, okay, what do we do now? Because he's not going to want to pay 31% more. So we're like in a holding pattern of wait and see if this is like a tariff threat, or if this is like a real thing, or if the Swiss and the Americans are going to discuss it and figure something out. It doesn't seem real, almost. It feels like we're going back to like Cold War, things, like where there's going to be like cigarette runners, contraband guys or whatever. But I hope it's not real, and I hope that we'll just get back to business as usual. Maybe there will be like a little tax or something to enter the US watches, but I hope that that's not 31%. Already people have been complaining for the past 4 or 5 years that prices, have been increasing so radically. Price of gold has gone wild. All the gold watches going up already. And if you tell everybody, okay, we've increased the prices this year 7%, and now plus 31% in the US, it's just going to put the market into complete, either freeze totally, just kind of what do we do, or free fall.
No, per questa domanda no.
Assez tendu parce que certains rendez-vous avec des Américains ont été annulés, donc on est très pessimiste, on va dire, sur cette année qui arrive. Les ventes vont être sûrement vues à la baisse. L'année à venir ne paraît pas très joyeuse pour tout ce qui est horlogerie, en tout cas pour ces prochains jours. C'est, je pense, l'état d'esprit de tout le monde.
Also the preparation or the anticipation toward potential crisis?
Obviously, the US market is absolutely critical as far as the Swiss watch industry is concerned. It's by far the number one market, more than 6 billion Swiss francs in total export for 2024. And with the overall situation in China, potential slowdown domestically in China, I think that you can feel some nervousness around.
No, I think the assumption is to say that at some point you will have like American consumers also traveling.
No, clearly more than 30% is a shock. I think it's something surprising. In one other hand, and as we said, it's like more than 100 countries that are concerned.
Évidemment, ce genre d'annonces ont un impact potentiel assez conséquent sur les prix publics des pièces, donc peut-être probablement un impact sur les ventes à terme, sur les volumes de vente. Dans l'horlogerie, il y a eu une baisse importante sur le marché en Chine l'année dernière. Et donc justement, les États-Unis, le Japon et certains autres marchés comme ça sont stratégiques pour l'année qui vient. Donc effectivement, c'est une nouvelle qui a été, qui fait un petit peu bouger les gens ici. On verra un petit peu la suite, mais c'est encore très frais, donc il va falloir digérer tout ça et voir ce que ça va vraiment impacter.